Watching One Night Plays. Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I'm here the whole week. Well, except last night where I went and watched a show. But I'm here the whole week since I have off for a week. And I need to catch up with schoolwork because my exams are literally in 3 weeks. And I need to do my assessment work because that's also literally around the corner. So yeah, I think the plan for today is do one subject of schoolwork, then work on one assessment piece, do another subject of schoolwork, do another assessment piece, do one subject of schoolwork, do another assessment piece, just doing that the whole day. And if I'm not doing assessment piece or like a 30-minute full train like a ballerina workout that I might want to do, and if not that, I might film a full out shelter video or in this. Actually, I'm gonna go put assumptions up because I want to do a reading your assumptions while on a backbend video. I'm gonna go put that poll on Instagram. Yeah. Okay. Hello, boom boom. Hello, boom boom. Did you miss this? Because I didn't. Basically what happened was some of the footage got really strange from my one dance and I have to go refilm it today, which means I have to redo all my makeup. I'm here now, but I can't find an open studio to warm up in, so I need to go warm up outside. This is gonna be awkward. Wednesday, I'm gonna do some schoolwork now. Fun. Boom boom. It's raining outside. I saw this TikTok of this one chick. Oh yeah. Just my luck, as I wanted to go out while it was raining, my dog ran in and there was poo stuck on his butt and he was very concerned, so I had to go clean that up. And now it's not raining anymore. Or it might. I think it might be. Okay, so you're gonna see me just run around. Anyway, I saw this TikTok of this girl running around the rain with her clothes on. I'm gonna do that. It's not as fun as she made it seem. So, as you guys probably know, we moved back to the city. And in our city, every day at 12, there's a thing we call the noon gun that goes off at 12. And I used to go to school in town, so every afternoon at 12 I know the gun, and I'm so used to it by now. And I'm just like, when it goes off, I'm used to it. My dog isn't, so he just jumped up. But also, I was sitting here, and it's like 12:02, and the thing goes off. And I just scream, "You're 2 minutes late!" As if the people who shoot the gun can hear me. It's Friday. It's 7:10. I've been awake since 5:30. And I need to do math today because I made my mom not allow me to watch Vikings with them tonight until I finished all my work. And basically what we want to do is we want to watch like a binge Vikings and then get some takeaways. And what happened is, since I caught up now and then I was sick, so I watched season 5 episode 1 and 2. They haven't watched 1 and 2 yet, so I told her, if I'm not finished, you guys have to watch 1 and 2 without me, and I have to finish my schoolwork, and then I'll watch episode 3 with you guys. So that's the deal. I have a lot of work to do, so I'm just gonna basically be here the whole day doing my schoolwork. And yeah, then tonight we're gonna binge some Vikings, tomorrow maybe as well. I don't know what's gonna happen Sunday, but also I have the best exam roster. I have, for my first math paper, I have 2 days off to prepare. 2 full-blown days to prepare for a math exam. And then for accounting I have a day off, and then I write life orientation, which is literally common knowledge, so I just read through. I think I studied twice for life orientation, and I don't even study, I just read through. I have life orientation and then I write accounting, and that's my last subject, so I have the whole exam season to prepare for accounting. Best exam roster. It's so nice. It's best exam roster ever. Where'd he go? What a weirdo. He has a blanket and a pillow and that whole space to lie on, and he decides to lie on his armrest. This dog thinks he owns the place. Seriously, Loki? Wow, I look great. Seriously. It's just... Hi guys. There you go. It's only quarter of my face that looks decent, even though it is that. There you go. It's from all the heavy makeup I had to wear the past week. Anyway, today's really boring. I'm just excited for tonight. That's the only thing that's getting me through this day. This dude really owns the place. He's just staring at me like, what you gonna do? Kick me off? Don't think so.
Left to bury them, and I saw that this great city was York, and all those dead bodies were of pagan Northmen. They died because they starved.
Saturday morning, and it's like, hello Loki. Tell me your dog owns you without telling me your dog owns you. I'll go first. But it's 10 to 9 and I just finished editing my vlog. And today is Sunday, and we are going to go to a place with tadpoles for this one, since you can't hunt tadpoles in our old pool anymore. And yeah, then we're gonna probably, I don't know, go get some tadpoles, have a nice breakfast, all that jazz. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here. It's me, Arwen, and Master Loki. Please like if you did, subscribe, because I'm a YouTuber and I have to ask, turn on the notifications. Nope, even though they don't work. See, he didn't like me because they don't work. I love you so much. Stay safe. Say goodbye to the camera.